Alright, good morning, welcome back to the channel, Alex right here, and you guys welcome me today on board the Ferrari Roma. As you guys know, I've already tested, it's the third time that I'm driving it, but today it's something extremely special. Now that I do have a straight line, you guys have, and that's mega important, to hear the noise of the car. Because for the very first time on the channel, it's gonna be the before and the after on the Ferrari Roma. Because my dear friend that is sitting here next to me has got this incredible brand new Ferrari Roma. The car has been introduced in 2020 and there's a slight mega problem on this car. You have this 3.9 liter V8 bi-turbo, and as you guys know, it's a GT, it's a cruising car. So the car doesn't have a mega super exhaust with a mega super noise. So what we gotta do today, we are going to install, and it's gonna be my very first time seeing this thing installed on the Ferrari Roma, and even almost the first time in the world, the X pipe on board the Ferrari. Tell me if it's correct, obviously. And due to this process, we're even gonna win some little more horsepowers and some little more power on board. So without further ado, let's make a before and after and tour around the car, because he has a beautiful spec also with some yellow stuffs, yellow accent on board. So yeah, let's get started. So here it is, look at the view currently in the winery yards. Look how incredible, the car actually matches literally perfectly in the countryside of Geneva. So one thing that you can notice is this beautiful middle line right here that is crossing the full car. We're just gonna make a full tour with the rear as well. The yellow with the yellow calipers just on the side is absolutely incredible and really nicely matching with all the yellow stuffs on board. 20 inches rims that you can notice right here, and the Ferrari logo on the side, the 3.9 liter V8 bi-turbo with the beautiful currently line, the small detail actually that makes the entire difference on board the car. And also a very lovely line here on the upside, and here you have the full Ferrari diffuser. And what also he added is also this silver line right here on the rear side of the car. The exhaust that we're just gonna light on the car, that we're just gonna make some revs like this. You can guys notice the before and after of this Roma with the Ferrari inscription right here, fully in yellow as well. Look at the spec and the inside of the car, that is also really stunning. You have some Alcantara on board, the line right here. Look at the full Ferrari Roma logo with all the yellow details on board, with the sport seats, stitchings, everything is here, and that's so beautiful. One thing that I just have to add, Novitec has made some stuffs on the Ferrari Roma, but here what we're gonna install, that we're just going to show it to you later, is the Supersprint. And listen carefully the noise. The acceleration of this V8 is tremendously fast, 3.4 seconds, and it's always a pleasure to drive it. But as you guys can hear, the noise is just missing, and we're going to correct this out. Okay, so that's the piece that we're just going to change right now. So that's the X pipe. Come over underneath the Roma. You do have this line right here, so it's two straight lines. So you have like two lines, just is not it just like heated together.
They're not connected.
They're not connected, thank you very much. Just the morning. It's not connected, it's just two straight lines. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this here and everything's gonna be connected and the noise is gonna be better. The first exhaust has been taken out of the Roma, so we had actually to pull over the other like exhaust right here to leave this exhaust, like leave away. And as you guys can notice, like in between there is just the air getting through. We have like two straight pipes and this is only to hold it. This is literally only to hold it. And we even can see like a blue, yeah, I don't know how we can catch it on the best here on the camera. Like it's even on the blue, and you have like two straight pipes. And here it is. We're gonna install this on the same way, on the same place. But here, as you can see it through, the air can go into it. So that will help like just to get more for the evacuation, and with the double lights. So let's put it in. Okay, so now back on the road, we've changed the exhaust. Now you have the X pipe just underneath that has been installed. And when you lie down the car, you hear already the exhaust that is already slightly different, more deep, but especially on the road is like more piped up. The throttle response and the noise is more deeper. Like the changement is like 30% more of the noise that you can hear here. And when you put down the throttle response is like way more quicker. And you can see and you can feel it on board the car. But I'm not driving usually these kind of cars every day, so I'm not able to listen and to check the differences. But like you've said, that is the throttle response and the exhaust noise, and when you turn on the car, that makes the difference. And the kick is different, and we can hear also some cracks when you switch the gear and that you're accelerating back. So that are the main differences. But yes, you hear the changement on board this Ferrari Roma with the X pipe. And one other thing that we've also noticed, you have like a high pitched on the revs, like between 5 and 7,000 RPM, is like more, the sound is totally different, it's more higher. And this you also can hear with the high pitched version of the throttle. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you guys really appreciate and that you could hear the noise of this X-Pipe modified it on this Ferrari Roma. So yeah, here it is with the lovely spec, with the lovely area. Hope to see you very soon. Don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button and stay updated. Bye bye.